Everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas price is trading at a level of $1.8060. After that there is a continuous upside if the price sustain this level. Okay, and chances can be high a further upside we can see if the price started moving up a level of $108.5. Okay, and if you have to understand something, that there is a narrow pattern forming. Okay, this narrow pattern is being, if you look at this narrow pattern, we will see that if the price started going above level of 108.5, then we can see there will be a zone breakout will happen, that this pattern will break upside and a further upside we can see. But if the price started falling below level 10765 dollars around, we can see a further fall because this pattern is being created, this as per that. Now see, from yes, today we have seen there is trying to go upside. As you can see, a little green candle is trying to form, but before that you have to remember that price of natural gas is moving in a very little zone. The volatility is very less, so keep this in mind that as soon as it moves out of this zone, we can see there will be an upside or a downfall. Okay, so you have to remember this, and a probability is that it is waiting for some good movement. Okay, and this narrow pattern is also forming, so keep it in mind that there is a good chances of making good profit at this particular level. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can mail me regarding this, how what should be you can take. Okay, and you can mail me, I've given the mail IDs also in the description, or you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Now if you look at the dollar index, you will, and you have to understand, see, dollar index is continuously on the upside. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, that means if the price move above a level of 104.5, then chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, there is a probability, yes, it will go, because this pattern is supporting a level of 104.5 if the price sustain, and chances are high. So we can see there will be high on the dollar index. But if the price started falling below a level of 103.5, then we will see there will be a fall. So chance of moving further low will be there, and it can cross below a level of $103 will be there. Okay, and we will see there will be a further down. So you have to remember this and understand that once the price started moving below a level of 103.5, a further downfall we can see. And you have to remember that if the price started moving up a level of $104.5, a further upside we can see. Okay, these two things you should be doing. Now if you look at this particular trend, you will understand here clearly that the price, see, look at this, it is also trying to form a narrow pattern. Okay, dollar index, so chances are high that it will can move further upside. There is a probability of moving further upside, I'm telling you, as per the price action strategy. Okay, but if the price till the time it is not going below a level of 103.5, a further downfall we will not see. And chances, see, once, twice, and third, for the third time, if the price start moving up that level, a further upside we can see. So remember this, there is a probability that it can go further higher. Okay, so we can see there will be a fall in the price of natural gas, also gold also, if the price started moving on that level. But if the price started falling below this level and move below a level of 104, then after that it will go below a level of 103.5, and then a further fall we can see. Okay, now look at this natural gas price. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. So suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of $1.8075. If the price keep moving above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of around the next, as per the day's chart, we can see it can touch a level of $1.8268. Suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, a further upside we can see, and from there a probability of touching a level of 1.8365 will be there, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 1.8548 will be there. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above $1.8548, a further high we can see towards a level of $1.877758, and from there a further high we can see towards a level of around $1.8957. Keep it in mind that once the price started moving above level $1.595 will be there, and from there it will go above a level of $1.9388. Okay, and as soon as the price started going over this level, a further upside we can see, and that will touch a level of 2.0065, and it will move in this particular zone. So as soon as it started going over a level of $2, chance of touching 2.5 will be there. After crossing a level of 2.3, we can see a level of 2.5, and from there a level of 2.9. Okay, and then this pattern will support and chance of crossing level of $3 will be there. I'll make the video of the price started coming in the zone of $2. Now, as I've already explained you, market is uncertain. Okay, so always set your SL. Setting your SL will save your profit, and always try to trail your SL will save your profit. These two things you should be doing. Okay, and always try to allocate your capital into 5. Okay, and then set your SL as per that. That is around 0.5 to 1% should be your stop loss. Okay, how you have allocated your SL. Suppose if you're taking 5 trades, okay, and then allocate your capital as per that, and for one particular trade set an SL. For one particular trade, set an SL was 0.51%, 0.5 to 1% of the traded capital. That's for the first which you have divided. Okay, the capital. So set your SL for that. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards $1.792, and from there we will see it will cross a level of $1.78. Suppose the price fall below that level, it will move towards a level of $1.76, and from there a further fall we can see towards 1.734. Suppose if the price started moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards 1.7135 will be there. Okay, and if the price started falling below that level, we will see level 1.6811. Suppose if the price started moving below that particular zone, a further fall we can see towards $1.6421. Okay, and from there a further fall we can see towards $1.6. Keep it in mind that as soon as the price started moving below 1.6, it will come below a particular level of 1.6, then a probability of touching its all-time low of 1.5338 will be there, and once started going below this level, we will see a level of 1.4 to a level of 1.3, and then further low. Okay, and if the price started falling below $1.5, I'll make another video explaining where it will go. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description.